wish you all a happy Independence Day. Let us keep alive the memories of those patriotic people. Let's salute all the soldiers, martyrs who sacrificed their lives for the sake of our country. I request our academic director, Mrs. Archana Suresh, to hoist the national flag accompanied by the guests of today, Mr. and Mrs. Chandrasekhar, parent of Sinchana and Shivraj.
नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Request everyone to sit. वीणा पाणि श्रीपद्मनिलये ज्ञानमुद्रान्विते वरदण्डमण्डिते वीणा पाणि सूर्यसमाप्रभे विद्यास्वरूपिणी सरस्वती माते जय गुणधाते वरशुभधाते शारदे ब्रह्मणि वाग्देवी गायत्री सावित्री सुरनरपूजिते ए शारदे जय जगवन्दिते सत्कीर्तिदायिनी श्वेतपद्मासने सम्पत्प्रदाते विद्यालक्ष्मी सत्कीर्तिदायिनी श्वेतपद्मासने सम्पत्प्रदाते विद्यालक्ष्मी सूर्यसमाप्रभे विद्यास्वरूपिणी सरस्वती माते जय गुणधाते वरशुभधाते शारदे ब्रह्मणि वाग्देवी गायत्री सावित्री सुरनरपूजिते ए शारदे जय जगवन्दिते शारदे जय जगवन्दिते जय जगवन्दिते
जिंदगी है काम की तो काम पे लुटाए जा तुझे हिंद आगे बढ़ मने से तो कभी न डर उड़ा के दुश्मनों का सर जो दे वतन बढ़ाए जा तुझे हिंद आगे बढ़ मने से तो कभी न डर उड़ा के दुश्मनों का सर जो दे वतन बढ़ाए जा कदम कदम बढ़ाए
of the human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legends and the great-grandmother of traditions. Our most valuable and the most artistic materials in the history of man are treasured up in India, says Mark Twain. Good morning to the august gathering. I welcome you all to the 79th Independence Day celebration we have gathered to honor and celebrate the sacrifice and hard work our forefathers who fought for our freedom. This day marks when our nation broke free from the shackles of British rule and gained freedom. It is a great pleasure to stand before you to welcome you all to this historic day. I would like to welcome Mr. and Mrs. Chandrasekhar, parents of Sinchana, who was one of the school topper with 94% in the class 10th board exam 2024-25. Mr. Chandrasekhar is a contractor of BSNL and the secretary of Vidya Kirana Public School, while Mrs. Hema Chandrasekhar is a homemaker. A hearty welcome to you all on this occasion. Mrs. Archana Suresh, who is a pillar of strength in all our endeavors. A hearty welcome to you, ma'am. I would like to welcome our respected principal, Dr. Jaya Prakash, who is a guiding force. A warm welcome to him in absentia. Sir is representing as the platoon commander of the Traffic Warden Organization, Bangalore Traffic Police, for the Independence Day program held at Manekshaw Parade Ground. I would like to welcome the teaching and non-teaching staff whose efforts to mentor us goes a long way. Welcome teachers. A pleasant welcome to all my dear friends who are enthusiastically participating in today's program. I welcome you all once again. Thank you.
The sacrifices of our freedom fighters during the freedom struggle is very significant. As students, it's essential to reflect on their contributions and struggles. Now, I call upon Nivyata to highlight the significance of this day.
Respected dignitaries, teachers, and my dear friends, today I feel honored to stand before you to speak on a very important and proud occasion, Independence Day. Every year, on the 15th of August, India celebrates its Independence Day with great enthusiasm and patriotism. This day marks the end of British colonial rule in 1947 and the birth of India as a free and sovereign nation. But Independence Day is not just a holiday or a celebration. It is a reminder of the countless sacrifices made by our freedom fighters who fought bravely so that we could live in a free country. The importance of this day lies in the values it represents: freedom, dignity, and unity. Before 1947, India was under British rule for almost 200 years. Our country was exploited economically, socially, and culturally. Millions of Indians struggled under poverty and oppression. However, the determinations of leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and many others gave strength to the nation to fight back. Mahatma Gandhi, through his non-violent methods and principles of Satyagraha, united people from different regions, religions, and communities. It was not an easy journey. Many freedom fighters were imprisoned, tortured, and even lost their lives. Their courage and selflessness led to the historic day of 15 August 1947, when India finally gained its independence. But gaining freedom was not the end. It was the beginning of a new chapter. Independence Day also serves to remind the younger generation of the importance of national pride and unity. In a country as diverse as India, where people speak different languages and follow different religions, Independence Day unites us all as Indians. As we hoist the national flag and sing the national anthem, let us remember the heroes of our past and pledge to be responsible citizens. Let us contribute in whatever way we can by being honest, by respecting others, by helping the needy, and by striving for excellence in whatever we do. In conclusion, Independence Day is not just a celebration of our freedom, but a tribute to the spirit of India. It is a day to honor the past, celebrate the present, and build a brighter future. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
National flag, known as Ashoka Chakra, which symbolizes the wheel of law. It is a representation of the 24 virtues and principles that guides the nation towards development and integrity. The chakra is a wheel emphasizing movement. The wheel is inspired by the Sarnath lion capital of Ashoka, a historical monument from the 3rd century BC according to the National Portrait of India. The chakra is rooted in the Buddhist philosophy. It is a secular symbol representing India's commitment to peace, progress, and dharma. Let us sit back and enjoy the students performing the progress of our country for Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India.
Diversity and determination. Today we bring before you a journey about how nation rises, not just through policies, but in the spirit of the people who believe in themselves. From scarcity to self-reliance, from bullocks to biotechnology, the seeds of change continue to grow. Scene 1, Farmer's Field.
ಮಳೆರಾಯ ನೀ ಬಂದೋಗೋ ನಮ್ಮೂರಿಗೆ ಬಾಳೆಯ ತೋಟವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋಗಿ ನಿಂತಾವೆ ಆಗಸದಿ ಎತ್ತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಚುರುಕೈತೆ ಮಳೆಯಿಲ್ದೆ ಮಲ್ಲೆ ತೋಟ ಒಣಗೋಗಿ ನಿಂತಾವೆ ಹಸಿರನ್ನು ಕಾಣದೇನೆ ಅಳುವಾಗಿ ಬರಡಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಾವೆ ಬರಗಾಲ ಎರಿಯಲು ನಾಟ್ಯವಾಡೈತೆ ನೀ ಬಂದು ಹುಯ್ದೋಗು ಕೆರೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ತುಂಬಿಸೋಗು ಪಾರಪ್ಪೋ ಮಳೆರಾಯ ನೀ ಬಂದೋಗೋ ನಮ್ಮೂರಿಗೆ ಬಡಲಾಗಿ ಪೈರು ಪಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮಳೆಯಿಲ್ಲ ಕುಡಿಯೋಕೆ ನೀರಿಲ್ಲ ಹುಯ್ಯೋ ಹುಯ್ಯೋ ಮಳೆರಾಯ ಹೂವಿನ ತೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರಿಲ್ಲ ಬಾರೋ ಬಾರೋ ಮಳೆರಾಯ ತೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರಿಲ್ಲ ಹುಲ್ಲು ಮೇವು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಗೋಧು ರಾಸು ಮಳೆಯಾವೆ ಐದು ಪಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮಳೆಯಿಲ್ಲ ಕುಡಿಯೋಕೆ ನೀರಿಲ್ಲ ಹುಯ್ಯೋ ಹುಯ್ಯೋ ಮಳೆರಾಯ ಹೂವಿನ ತೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರಿಲ್ಲ ಬಾರೋ ಬಾರೋ ಮಳೆರಾಯ ಬಾಳೆ ತೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರಿಲ್ಲ ಹುಲ್ಲು ಮೇವು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಗೋಧು ರಾಸು ಮಳೆಯಾವೆ ಐದು ಪಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮಳೆಯಿಲ್ಲ ಕುಡಿಯೋಕೆ ನೀರಿಲ್ಲ.
And India was a time of hope, yet there was hunger everywhere. Ramo is sitting in a dried field.
Daddy Amma, how long are you supposed to survive this?
We have freedom data, but now we need food security. The government says help is coming, a revolution of faith. Let us have faith in God, help will come.
Miss Iyer enters with a file.
Namaste. I bring good news from Delhi. A new path, the Green Revolution, high-yielding seeds, fertilizers and irrigation all coming soon.
Seeds that grow and produce more will end our hunger?
Yes, led by Ms. Swaminathan and with the support of Lal Bahadur Shastri, this will feed the nation.
So began the Green Revolution, a turning point. By the 1970s, India transformed from a food deficit to a self-sufficient country.
Do you know who is MS Swaminathan?
No, I am not aware.
Well, he was an Indian geneticist and plant breeder. He was a global leader of the Green Revolution and he introduced a technique of high-yielding varieties of wheat and rice.
Dadaji, with Digital India, I check crop prices, online selling through ENA, and apply for subsidies through PM Kisan Yojana, and I even receive money every month. Every month? Wow, the world truly fits in your pockets.
In revolution to digital revolution, India's heartbeat remains its farmers, who are resilient, resourceful, and ready for the future. We should thank our farmers for providing food for us. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Vigyan, Jai Anusandhan. Victory to the soldier, the farmer, the science and innovation. 3. The Skill India Mission is a government initiative aimed at providing vocational training and certification to India's youth.
I have an idea for a solar power project. I want to build fires for villages. But how will I start a business? I have no money, no guidance.
Why don't you register under Startup India? They provide mentoring, funding and tax exemption for innovative ideas. Startup India empowers youth to innovate, create and transform India into a job-creating nation for the youth. Studying and applied for online courses.
Finally, I have enrolled the Skill India program in robotics and AI. Who says girls can't code?
That's wonderful, Rani. With Digital India and Skill India, our girls are becoming nation builders.
Loan, I designed a solar-powered irrigation system. Farmers can now harvest more with less water. Let's try it on my farm. This could save us.
Our bees are now selling online under Vocal for Local campaigns. Orders from many states are flooding in.
Times begin with belief. We must dream, innovate, and we're here. We aren't just job seekers, but we are job creators.
Skill India empowers women and enables the skilled workforce for tomorrow's India. The Make in India program is to create and encourage companies to develop, manufacture and assemble products in India.
Rajiv, I help people who dreamt of owning a home through PM Awas Yojana using local building materials.
That's great, Arav. Make in India spirit, local workers and local materials. Our own strength. It means housing for all, ensuring every Indian has a roof over their head.
Not only that, we have many other yojanas such as Chandan Yojana and Mudra and many more.
Quality products, from technology to textile. That's impressive, India.
That's the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat. We provide excellence with the soul. Also, have you heard about the scientific development of our country?
I'm not aware.
Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to fly to space, and he said Sare Jahan se acha and asked about how India looked from space. Also, have you heard about Shubhanshu Shukla?
Could you please share some information about the gentleman?
Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla is an Indian Air Force test pilot, engineer and ISRO astronaut. He is the first of the 4 astronauts flown to space as part of the Indian Human Spaceflight Program. He was currently on board Axiom Mission 4 and became the first Indian to visit the International Space Station and the second Indian to visit space after Rakesh Sharma in 1984. He is currently the longest staying Indian in space, and the cost of the seat allotted to him is approximately $60 million, about 500 crores, paid by the Indian government in 2025. He has definitely made an indelible mark in the field of space science.
Now I'm gonna say, that's pure brilliance.
Thank you, thank you.
India is proud when Chandrayaan 3 was successful and Mangalyaan was launched, under the spirit to make India reach great heights in the field of space science. Not isolation. It's India standing tall by its pride, people's policies and purpose. From startups to students, from farms to factories, this is the soul of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
We won't wait for the change.